video I'm going to help you a lot. I'm going to give you 30 plants or the food that you cannot eat if you have kidney problems. You're going to be surprised a lot with this list, but it's going to help you on the long term, especially if you have the kidney problems. Avoiding certain food when you have the kidney disease can help you slow the progression of the disease and make you feel healthier longer. It is especially important to limit those high minerals that your kidney can no longer remove from the body. These include food rich in sodium and in the later stages phosphorus and potassium. And those three minerals are very important if you have the kidney problems. Sodiums, of course, everyone knows if you have a diet high in sodium, it's not going to be good for your kidneys, but many people of you don't know phosphorus and potassium rich food can hurt you if you especially had later stages of the kidney disease. Your nutritional needs will change as kidney diseases progresses. What's best for you to be determined by your healthcare team. Eating the right food and avoiding the wrong ones can help you slow progression of the kidneys. First is sodium. Sodium is the mineral that is naturally present in many food. When you add a table salt to the food, you add sodium. In kidney disease, the kidney cannot eliminate excess sodium as they should. This causes your body have imbalance of sodium and water, which can lead swelling of the face, hand and the feet, excess thirst and the high blood pressure. All of these symptoms are the symptoms of serious kidney problems. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is up for sale on my new website that is called MarioLab.hr. Much more about new book at the end of the show. Number one food that you must avoid, later I'm going to give you the list, is the food that has a high content of the sodium. Second food, of course, is going to be food a lot with potassium. Potassium is a mineral that plays an important role in the function of the heart. When you have too much or too little potassium in your body, it can cause dangerous health problems. Kidney disease can cause potassium levels that are either too high or too low. When your levels are too high, your doctor may advise you to reduce food high in potassium. When they are too low, you may need to increase your intake of those foods. So this is one of delicate balance that you need. You need a normal level of potassium in your system. Of course, many of you don't eat enough food that had a lot of potassium, and this is also a problem. But if you had advanced kidney problems, you must avoid food, of course, that had a high content in their composition, of course, of the potassium. A third food is going to be high in phosphorus. High level of phosphorus can lead to a low level of calcium in the bones, which can make them weak. They can also cause calcium buildup in other parts of your body, like blood vessels, lungs, and the heart. Your nutritional needs will vary depends on what stage kidney disease you are in. In the early stages, for example, you will need to limit sodium. In the later stages, you may also need to limit phosphorus and or potassium to maintain blood levels in normal ranges. Being on dialysis means you have to eat high quality protein from sources like meat, chicken, fish and eggs. And this is the most important thing that you need to learn from today's video. So food in sodium in the early stages, in the later stages you must avoid, usually, not always, food that is high in phosphorus, also in potassium. What is the food that had a lot content of potassium, also phosphorus and sodium? No matter at what stage of kidney disease you are diagnosed with, it is important to change your diet to slow the progression of the disease and improve overall health and well-being. Food with kidney disease are often said to limit or avoiding food, whole grains, bran, oatmeal and granola, nuts and sunflower seeds, tomato, avocado, other fresh and dry fruits like bananas, apricots, dairy, potato, beans, Swiss chard, spinach, beet, greens, pretzels, chips and crackers, pickles, processed meat, pre-prepared or frozen meals, canned food, dark juices and the whole grains. Whole grains are often recommended for the people without kidney problems, but those foods are high in potassium and phosphorus than refined grains. If you have to moderate advanced kidney disease, your doctor may advise you to avoid whole grain foods such as whole wheat, bran, or the bran cereals, oatmeal and granola. When you buy cold and warm cereals, be sure to cook them as the food label. In the short, you must really find this special list that you must avoid. A lot of those food are very good for the healthy people. Unfortunately, if you have kidney disease, you must really take care about sodium, potassium, of course, the phosphorus. My dear viewers, if you have any kind of suggestion how you help your kidney in natural way, please comment below. For everyone that wants to learn a lot about natural remedies that can help you if you had kidney problems, please click here on this little window. It's going to open a lot of my videos that I was making about the kidney problems, and you're going to learn a lot. Thank you for following me. See you on the next video. Bye bye. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is the first part of the 4-part series book that it will come out this and the next year. It is intended for everyone who want to take control of their health and embark on the path of natural healing. In this book you will find information about the best natural medicines in the world, advice for diseases prevention and strengthening of the health, instructions for treatments with natural medicine, recipe for teas, tincture, practical tips for growing medical plants in your garden. This book is intended for everyone who does not want to take any medication, any injection, or maybe avoided complete knee operation. All of this had a lot of side effects. New book is direct continuation on my first book, Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity. Both books are available in Croatian, also in English language. Everything that you need about the first book, the second book, is going to be on my website mariolab.hr, and also you can find every information that you need on my new website. Everything is also in the description below video.